Good morning, guys! So, we're up here at the RV and we're actually going to be measuring some stuff in it to see what we can change and what we can upgrade for our next year of travel. We're actually planning on heading to Vernon today and check out probably a thrift store and see if there's any like cool little antique little things that we can decorate the RV with and make it a bit more homey. So that's the plan today. Luke's back there trying to shovel a pathway for us to get to the hatch and to the RV itself, so yeah.
I'm shoveling snow off of snow. It is crazy out here.
So yeah, let's head inside and get to work. Man, it's like pure ice under the snow. That's like an inch thick of just ice. We can actually walk on top of the frozen snow, so that's pretty neat. We're not sinking. My second winter jacket was actually up in the hatch here still, so I'm gonna throw that on because it's a little chilly out. If you can't tell, it's like starting to snow again. It's horrible, guys, horrible. Ooh, it's cold. Alright, now let's head inside.
So, because we have almost 3 feet of frozen ice snow here still, I've got the hatch cleared open to open it up, but we're still gonna have to go in through the truck cab to get into the RV because our little house door there is completely snowed in, guys. So down here and in we go. So we're inside the RV here now, but it turns out we forgot a tape measure, guys.
Well, we didn't forget. I mean, we thought it was still in here in our toolbox, but I guess we had taken it out at some point and now we don't have a tape measure.
So without that tape measure, we're gonna have to get a little bit more creative and just visualize, if you will, what we want to do and kind of prepare for the summer here. But anyways, let's get looking around here.
So basically, we kind of just want to make the RV a bit more like homey and a bit more comfortable to live in because we are living in it like full time during the summer. But we don't exactly want to be spending a lot of money either. We do want to spend our money like traveling, not really in our RV particularly, but we still want to make it comfortable. So one of the main things that we really want to do is update our bed. So come over here. So our bed is literally just this little foam thing and honestly not very comfortable. So we would like to either buy a new mattress or potentially just add like foam layers on top of this mattress and kind of make it work to make it thicker and a bit more comfortable. Like honestly, when I'm laying on my side, my hip is digging in through the mattress and like hitting the plywood below. So not that comfortable for an every night sleep. Also, another one of the issues that we had last year traveling was somewhere to like have our phone and stuff in bed. As you can see, it's a corner bed, so there's no shelving, there's nothing to really place anything on, so you can't have a drink in bed or like have your cell phone on like a little shelf or anything. So we kind of want to figure out a way to either add like a little corner shelf or maybe like a side cubby or pocket on the wall or something that we can just like have some stuff in bed and have somewhere to put it. So like my idea is kind of like, I don't know, like a pouch that you can kind of stick on the wall here, or maybe some type of like little tiny corner shelf in the corner here. I don't know. I wonder if it like would be in the way here if like, I don't know, I'm sleeping and there's a shelf up here, I might like hit my head or something. So I don't know, we're gonna try and figure out a cost-effective and practical way to have a little shelf or something in bed. If you guys have any ideas, let us know because we're not really sure what to do yet and it would be really helpful. Also, while we're back here in the bedroom, one other thing that's a little annoying are these lights here. So, I mean, they're okay, they look fine, I guess, but they're a little kind of outdated looking. And also, they're not even LED lights, so we could switch it to an LED bulb and it'd be fine that way, but I mean, they're just like a really warm light and definitely not too appealing looking, and we basically never use them because they use so much more power than our regular like LED lights, so we would like a solution for that as well.
So much more power, guys.
Anyways, I think that's it for our bedroom. Next up, we have our wardrobe here, which actually works really well for us. We showed you this before, but we have this like collapsible hanging organizer that works really well as like temporary shelving in here, which is really good. And then also some space where we can hang our clothes. So it works pretty good, but it would be nice to have some extra storage that is really accessible for things that we use every day, like maybe our charging cords and like our camera, like just really easy access storage where we can kind of get to things. We were thinking about adding maybe like one of those really cheap like plastic shelving units with all the drawers in it, and just having kind of like storage that way. Then it would be closed off and you could actually put like electronics and stuff in there and make it work. But again, we're not really sure what we want to do with that, but we're looking for ideas for that as well.
Yeah, one of the big takeaways here, besides making it feel more homey, is gonna just make it a lot more functional for us. A whole lot of little things like reaching up into those cupboards up there, getting charging cables, putting things away, all those little teeny activities we have to pull the different kind of latching cabinets and stuff. Takes a few minutes here and there. If we can just have a way where we can put our camera on a little wall mount and plug it into a wire already ready, have the drone set up a bit ready to go, then it's just so much easier to quickly grab stuff and go. Instead of you spend so much time on all the little tasks and all the little things in the RV that if we could organize it and kind of streamline all of our processes, it should make camping a whole lot easier and give us a whole lot more time to kind of relax and actually enjoy it at least. So that is also going to be the goal, is functionality.
Other than that though, I don't really know what else we want to change. Like the bathroom's pretty good. Oh, actually, there's only one mirror in this entire place, which is really frustrating if Luke's in there and I need to like do my makeup or if I want to check my outfit. There's actually no full-length mirror, so that's kind of annoying. I would enjoy either like a standalone mirror where I could just take it somewhere else and do my makeup, or maybe in the wardrobe have a big mirror somehow mounted, if that would work. I don't know, that'd be a nice addition for me. Oh, another thing would be the cushions. They are a little dirty and nasty and definitely like starting to shrink up and like become not very comfortable to sit on. So I would like to redo those if possible. I've never done any like reupholstering or anything, but I'm hoping to be able to figure that out and fix that up for us. And yeah, other than that, just kind of adding some decorations, maybe adding some color in here, some pictures, just making it a bit more homey in general. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that. I think all this stuff is actually going to be happening more in the spring when we can actually get to the RV and not climb over snow and be freezing cold in here. But yeah, we're really excited to start looking at stuff and planning stuff and collecting stuff over the winter here. Anyways, with all that being said, guys, we're now going to jump back in the Jeep, hit the road to Vernon, and see what we can find for a little thrift store haul. After we climb over the snow again, of course. Alright, we interrupt this video to grab a lunch here at Tim Hortons. We're hungry.
Sorry about the wait, how may I help you?
Yeah, no worries. Could we get 2 turkey bacon clubs with honey mustard? And a medium mocha iced cappuccino? A medium iced caramel latte? And then could we also do potato wedges?
How many?
Oh. One order, please.
One order, okay.
And then 1 chocolate Timbit.
1 chocolate Timbit.
Yeah. And 1 sour cream glazed, please.
Okay.
Timbit.
Timbits, okay.
Yes, thank you. That's all.
Just give me a second to make sure I've got those Timbits for you.
Yep, no problem. Thank you.
Okay, I do have your Timbits for you.
Perfect, and that's everything, man.
Okay, are you collecting Timberworth today?
No.
Grab it, please.
Right on. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Nice fella. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh, I got mocha. Thank you. Okay. Right on. Thanks, man. Take care.
Stop.
Oh, I got mocha on my hands, guys. What is this? I think this is whipped cream. Thank you.
It's not whipped cream?
Try it. It's so heavy.
fake stuff.
Yeah, legitimately.
Whoa, they gave us 4 honey mustard.
4 honey mustard.
Alright, well, we're gonna muck down on our food here, and we'll see you guys shortly when we get to Vernon. Alright, so that was kind of a bust. They had a pretty small like home section and just nothing really caught our eye. So we're actually in the same parking lot as HomeSense right now, so we're gonna pop over there and see what they have to offer.
Me as well.
Okay, look at this cat hammock. Too bad we don't have anywhere in the RV to put this, but this would be freaking sweet for a cat. It's so furry too, that's hilarious. They even have like a Coleman little camp chair. Look how cute this is. It's only $25. So I think we're gonna get it. And I don't really know where exactly we're gonna put it yet, but it's too cute to pass up. Look at it.
Yeah, we haven't had a whole lot of luck here. No picture frames, nothing really organizational we wanted, so we're gonna have to do a bit more thinking, a bit more planning, but that picture Alicia just found is $25, and we're thinking maybe above the bed. It could be a cool kind of like above the headboard on the bed rest there, so we'll see, guys, figure that out, but I think that's about all for HomeSense here, so we're gonna hit the road in just a second.
Alright, well, that's that for our shopping trip. We're hoping to find a couple of extra things, but that's okay. At least we have a better idea of what we want to do in the RV, and we kind of have a game plan now for some bigger changes in there, so that's exciting. And yeah.
Anyways, thanks for tuning in here, guys. Sorry we haven't been up to a whole lot lately. We might drop down to just a video every 2 weeks for now. We'll see what we get up to. I mean, that's what we did the last week, so sorry for not posting and informing you in advance, but just with kind of working and getting through the winter, there's not a whole lot we've been up to here. It's been kind of cold, snowy weather, and we've been busy, so hopefully we can get out a little bit more as spring starts to progress. It's warming up now at least, so we'll see what we get up to, but until next time, guys, thank you for tuning in. I know a lot of you have joined and subscribed recently, and we appreciate that, and we will see you in the next one, guys.
See ya.
Bye.